In this lesson, we're going to add a one-way sloping roof to the west wing. For the occasion where you have a roof that slopes only in one direction, there is a tool for that. It's simply called a slope arrow. These arrows work great. The only trouble is we need to first establish a base point and a slope direction. Then we need to determine if we want to specify the slope by giving increments at the head and tail, or the low point and high point, or if we just want to specify an actual slope, such as 4 on 12. The objective of this lesson is to add a giant roof that pitches at a 3 on 12 slope using a combination of the roof command and a slope arrow. Open the file you've been working on, or open the file called Chapter 8 and follow along. In the project browser under Floor Plans, scroll down to West Roof and open that up. By holding down the Control key, go ahead and pick all the walls that define the exterior of the west wing. Once these walls are selected, go ahead and click the drop down. Let's put them on exterior brick corridor walls. On the Architecture tab, click the Roof button. If Revit asks you to save the project, go ahead and click Save Project. On the Options bar, make sure Define Slope is turned off. For the overhang, let's make sure 1 foot is typed in. On the Draw panel, make sure Pick Walls is selected. Hover over one of the walls and hit your Tab key and go ahead and select them. On the Draw panel, select Slope Arrow. Let's pick a point in the upper right-hand corner and pick the second point down in the lower left-hand corner and hit Escape a couple times. Go ahead and select the Slope Arrow. In the Properties, let's specify Slope. For this slope, let's give it a 3/12 pitch. That's pretty steep, but not so steep we need the shingles on it. Click Apply. Once the slope is set to 3/12, go ahead and click on Finish Edit Mode. Looks like there's a view range issue. So in the properties for the floor plan, let's scroll down until we find View Range. Once you find View Range, go ahead and click on the Edit button. For the top, let's make the associated level unlimited. For the cut plane, let's go in at 40 feet. For the rest, we can leave. Click Apply and hit OK. Go to a 3D view. Now let's take a look at it. Looks like we need to join some walls. Also, we need to change the type of the roof. That's okay. Once we have a roof in, we can always change it. Go ahead and select the entire roof. And instead of pitched roof, we're going to put it back on roof 4-inch rigid insulation. The next thing we need to do is attach these walls to the roof. There's one wall we're going to have to edit the profile on. Because of the fact that we edited the profile again, sometimes Revit doesn't like to attach these, but that's okay, we can get around that. So go ahead and hold down your Control key and select this wall, this, and exclude that one for now. With the wall selected, on the Modify Wall panel, go ahead and click Attach Top Base. Select the roof, and our walls are attached. In the project browser, scroll down till you find the section West Corridor Section. It'll be under Building Sections. Double-click that and open it up. Adjust your crop region so you can see the entire roof. And what we're going to do is select this wall, and we're going to click on Edit Profile. Essentially what we want to do is attach these lines to the roof. On your Draw panel, click your Pick Lines button. Pick the roof slope and hit Escape. On the Modify panel, click the Trim button and go ahead and trim these lines together. Hit Escape a couple times. Now delete the 2 horizontal lines that are sitting there. Once you have it traced out completely, go ahead and click on Finish Edit Mode. Now your wall should be attached. Go to a 3D view to check it out, and we should be good to go. So, That's one huge sloping roof. By using the slope arrows effectively, we were able to accomplish a one-way sloping roof no problem at all.